Concrete is everywhere, and it's used in practically everything from pavement and structure reinforcement to decorative sculptures and stonework. Dustless Blasting has the ability to resurface, restore, and etch all of it. Parking lot stripes fading? Dustless Blasting can get you back to a blank canvas. Stonework becoming grungy or calcified? Make stone look like brand new. Tile, concrete, or brick sealer failing? Wipe that away in no time. Tiles becoming a slippery hazard or need a design etched into them? Add some texture in no time at all. Dustless Blasting uses only water and recycled glass abrasive to make all of this possible, which means it's safe to operate wherever, whenever. We've eliminated the huge dust plume, so you can even work indoors to restore things like stone fireplaces. Our machines are so versatile that no matter what job you can think of, we've probably cleaned or stripped it several times already. If you're going to be in the Las Vegas area, come out and see us at World of Concrete. We'll be in the South Hall in booth 14013 near the concessions. Or check out dustlessblasting.com today to see how you can go into business and make money doing these jobs yourself.